Did you know that the Milky Way is not the only galaxy in the universe? In fact, there are billions of galaxies out there, and the Milky Way is just one of them. It's estimated that there are around 100 billion stars in the Milky Way alone. Welcome back! In today's video, we are going to explore the mysteries of our galaxy, the Milky Way. Get ready to be amazed as we reveal 5 mind-blowing Milky Way facts you probably didn't know. Fact 1: Our galactic home is vast. Did you know that the Milky Way is mind-bogglingly enormous? Stretching over 100,000 light-years in diameter, it contains billions of stars, planets, and other celestial objects. Imagine the scale. If we were to travel at the speed of light, it would take us a staggering 100,000 years to traverse from one end of our galaxy to the other. Talk about a long road trip. Fact 2: The galactic collision in our future. Brace yourselves for this one. In about 4 billion years, the Milky Way is on a collision course with our neighboring galaxy, Andromeda. Yes, you heard that right. These two cosmic giants will merge together, creating a dazzling cosmic dance. But fret not, dear viewers, as the chances of stars colliding during this colossal event are slim due to the vast distances between them. Fact 3: The supermassive black hole at our core. At the heart of the Milky Way lies a hidden monster, a supermassive black hole called Sagittarius A. This gravitational behemoth has a mass equivalent to millions of suns. Its immense gravity warps space and time, sucking in everything that ventures too close. But don't worry, Earth is safe, as we are located a comfortable 26,000 light-years away from this cosmic abyss. Fact 4: Our galaxy is a spiral beauty. Did you know that the Milky Way is not just a haphazard collection of stars? It actually has a majestic spiral structure. Imagine a giant pinwheel, spinning gracefully through space. Our Sun, along with billions of other stars, resides in one of its spiral arms called the Orion Arm. From our vantage point, it's a breathtaking sight. Fact 5: Milky Way is not static. The Milky Way is constantly moving and rotating. It takes around 225 to 250 million years for the Milky Way to complete one rotation. This means that the last time the Milky Way was in its current position, dinosaurs still roamed the Earth.
The dinosaur's alive!
And there you have it, 5 astonishing facts about our very own Milky Way. As we continue to explore the vastness of space, remember that the universe is full of wonders waiting to be discovered. Thank you for joining us today on this cosmic journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more mind-blowing facts about the universe. Until next time, keep looking up.